want to graph a parabola of the form y is equal to ax squared plus c, and what I have here is two transformations. The leading coefficient a can stretch or shrink the parabola from our usual y is equal to x squared. Right? Y is equal to x squared, it looks like that. Then a 1/3 x squared is only going to be as tall at any given point. And then we're going to shift the parabola down 3. So C determines vertical shift and A determines vertical stretch. I am told to plot the vertex and 4 additional points, making sure 2 are on each side of the vertex. And here's how I'm going to choose those. I know by inspection that my vertex is 0, -3, because that's h and k in the quadratic function. And then I'm not going to go with -1 and -2 because those are not divisible by 3. I'm going to go with -3 and -6, and then 3 and 6. I know my axis of symmetry is x is equal to 0, so really I can just substitute in these values, and the same values will go here. So y is equal to 1/3 3 squared minus 3. 3 squared is 9, divided by 3 is 3, minus 3 is 0. So those values are both 0. And then y is equal to 1/3 6 squared minus 3. And 6 squared is 36, divided by 3 is 12, minus 3 is 9. And so I will plot those points. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have this point, and at 3 I have 0, and -3 I have 0, and at 6 I have 9, and at -6 I have 9. Okay. Just to give you some comparison, y is equal to x squared would be right here, right at the origin, right here, 2, 4, 3, 9. So you can see it would be much taller and skinnier. So the 1/3 sort of flattens the graph because it's less than 1. I'm going to give you another example. If I had y is equal to, say, -2x squared plus 3, then my vertex is at 1, 2, 0, 3, and the graph opens downward. So if I substitute in plus or minus 1 for x, I get -2 plus 3 is 1. So this point right here, well, that's a horrible drawing. Let me see. This point right here. And if I put in plus or minus 2 for x, I get -8 plus 3 is -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here and here. And even though my scale isn't the same, but maybe even especially because my scale isn't the same, you can see that this parabola is skinnier or taller than this parabola is, but also that the negative makes it open downward.